Hello everyone, welcome to the 50-day challenge of Batman strategy. We have seen all the adjustments till day 6 and there has been no update for day 7, day 8 and day 9. My sincere apologies, I was quite busy with some work as well as I was not keeping well. Today I did certain adjustments, but then unfortunately there was some sort of recording issues and then it didn't get captured in the live market. However, it's not much significant difference because I did the adjustment somewhere around 3 post 3 o'clock and not much has changed. So any which ways I will be doing the same adjustments right now. And if you haven't watched Batman Strategy 50 Days Challenge yet, please do watch the first video, which is Batman Strategy Zero Loss strategy, that is. And people have asked in the comment section how to do the adjustments. So I thought that it is better to go day by day and then show how the adjustment is done. And this is something that nobody does in YouTube, and it is a complete course in itself of how do you manage the risk, how do you manage the money, and how do you optimize. These are the essential things that you learn over time. So it is not about some 15 minutes video, 20 minutes video theoretically talking about how the adjustments should be done and all these things. We are going to see this for till the contract expires. So it's going to be a wholesome experience if you follow this series closely. So let's get started. Here we are in my YouTube channel. You can see that I have been posting for this is day 6 and then day 5. All these things are listed over here. You can please go through it if you have missed if you want to know the context, how it is created, what happened in the past. Everything is recorded here. Please do watch it carefully. And let's get started with day 9 of adjustment. So day 7 and day 8, there was not much actions. Nifty was actually consolidating with plus or minus 50 points, and there has been no significant moves. And currently Nifty has scaled up to 23,582. We created the Batman strategy around 23,300. So it has moved about roughly 300 points on the higher side, but a lot of time has passed. So that is the reason you're seeing that the base strategy is in a profit of about 5,300 rupees, and with the edges it is at 3,080 rupees, which is quite decent. Both the returns are quite decent considering that we have deployed less than 1.5 lakhs and it has been only like day 9. So it's a very decent returns, but I wouldn't say that this is the best return that you can make. But given the fact that you are playing and making sure that your capital is protected and the risk is very low, and consistently it is increasing in profit. If you see, initially on day 1 and day 2 hardly there was like plus or minus 500 800 rupees like that, but the moment profitability established on day 3, since then it's been consecutively giving you returns, and it is adding like every day some 800 rupees to 1000 rupees. So that's where we are now. So what are the things that we got to do? First, let's review the base strategy, and then I will make adjustments for the weekly strategy, right? So the base strategy is over here. If you see that the market has skewed to the right, the Batman middle point is over here and it has moved to the right side. Now what is the optimization I wanted to do? Before I talk about the optimization, we got to understand today was Nifty expiry. So some of the legs that we have taken as edges have already expired at 0.05. So we got to make fresh edges to be purchased for 27th of June, right? So right now, what you have to observe is this is how the payoff looks like, and we are slightly skewed to the right. See, we have coverage till 24,500. That's a huge range that we have on the upside. And on the downside, you see that it is having coverage till 22,264. So it is quite wide range that we have got coverage. This is good. Now, there is a lot of speculation going on. Market is continuously ascending. Everybody is expecting some sort of correction, but then it's making a new high. Yesterday, Bank Nifty rallied like 1,500 points and finally came down about 900 points and closed very significantly. And today, Nifty is also showing some sort of bullishness and then moved, though not much, but still it made some sort of positive close. So these are the things that we should keep in mind. Now, what is the kind of adjustment? I will talk about it. First, let's do the basic thing that needs to be done first, which is closing of current week expiry edges and then taking a fresh edge for next week. So that's the first thing that we are going to do. So here we are in Batman weekly edges. So what are the things that got so this was 13th edge which was closed. You can see that the red button over here, it is closed. Now there were four legs that got closed. One is 20th 22,000 PE, 24,500 CE, 22,000 PE, and then 24,200 CE. All these expired worthless. So first let's close that out. So this expired at 0.05, closed. This expired at 0.05, closed. Again 0.05, and this one again at 0.05. So all the four legs are closed. So totally two call options and two put options as edges were closed. So we got to buy in next expiry contracts, something trading around less than 10 rupees, maybe 8 to 10 rupees. That's something we will be looking at. So what I would do is I would go to this 27th of June, right? This is the contract I wanted to go and get option chain. See what is trading around 8 rupees to 10 rupees. Let's see. Yeah, 8.2 rupees. So what I'm going to do is here I'm going to buy two lots because we closed two lots, right? So I'm buying two lots. Then again, I go to the call side and see this is trading around 8.85. So I am taking this up two lots, right? So this is what the payoff looks like. Since it's a calendar spread spanning over three different expiries, one is current week just got closed. So those things plus next week expiry plus next month in contracts. So the payoff will be haywire, but that's still fine. You see that the whole chart is still in green, right? Anywhere it moves, probably we will lose some profits, but then we are never in any space of making loss, right? But this is with edges. Now I am going to save this. So this is saved. Now some of you may be asking, how do I further optimize this, right? What can be done in order to maximize my profit? And here is what I would say. Let's go to the base strategy, because in order to understand what adjustments has to be done, you have to look at the main position. That's where you will get the clarity of what sort of adjustment would be appropriate. Here the adjustment, I'm not going to make it so complicated. It's pretty plain and simple. Batman is created at where 23,300, and where is the market right now? 300 points on the upside, right? So I am covered so big on the left hand side. This region is super protected, and this side I stand some risk, because if the market continues to move further, what I might end up losing some of the profits. Not it will run into some losses, but then my profits will reduce, and I want to add little bit of profitability every day. That's what my goal is. So people with money, whether you have money at this point or not, just understand the concept. You don't have to necessarily initiate anything. This is only for educational purpose, right? So people, if you have money, what sort of adjustments is most logical? Here it is. What I would say is that market has skewed to the right. which means it is super far away protected on the put side. So the market, even if it crashes like say 500 points, I will not be in big trouble because I am still in a profitable zone. Because call premiums are way too high, they will be eroding much faster than put premiums appreciating. That is one. Second thing is that I can buy the edges at a much cheaper price now because it has moved too far away to the right side. So this is the adjustment I'm going to do. First thing is that I would like to go ahead and then add 20, July contract. I am going 25th, getting this option chain. What I am going to do is I'm going to take something trading around 80 rupees or 70 to 80 rupee, 85 rupees around that. Going to write that additionally. Now, what is that? 22. Okay, let's do this. 22 600 is at 83 rupees, right? This one I'm going to sell one lot. Okay, I'm going to sell one lot. Since this is the base position, I will not be adding any edges to this here. I'm going to save this now. This is how my payoff looks like. Now what happened here? If my range has actually extended by quite few points. Earlier it was 24 460 or something like that. Now we got a range extended till 536, 24 536. So we got more range on the upside. So if the market continues to go up, I am still having a wider range now. But what if it crashes, right? That's a big question. So here is what I'm going to do. I will first save this. This is my base strategy. So I'm saving this. Now I wanted to go to the Batman with weekly edges. Here I am going to do the same thing, going to 22,600, July 25th. July 25th. Yeah, this one I'm going to add one lot. And what I'm going to do, since I have sold a directional put writing, I have to buy edges. But I cannot be really affording to do some sort of, edges that are further from what I have sold just now. Meaning, I sold 22,600. My edges have to be at least 22,700 or above, because the gamma effect will compensate for any sort of downside movement. Let me show you what I mean. So I'm going to 27th June. Now I am seeing what is there. 22 800, let's say. Okay, this is at 8 rupees. This is perfect for me. So I am adding one lot of it. Now this is the edge. Let me explain the logic. Okay, I have sold July month end contract of 22,600, right? So that is at 83 rupees. So if the market consolidates tomorrow or for a few more days at the same level, or if it is going up, I am in profits, no problem. But if there is any sort of black swan event, suddenly there is a 500 points of gap down or something like that, then I should be worried, because market will be immediately coming to 23k, because it is currently at 23,582. 500 points gap down means 23,500. Now what will happen is probably that 83 rupees one will jump, say, and then reaches somewhere around 200 rupees, correct? And what will happen to this 8 rupee thing is that it will compensate me largely, because it is a weekly contract. There will be a gamma effect and it will appreciate super fast. Probably this would be going to maybe 120, 130 or something like that. Maybe if the market crashes too fast, then the volatile implied volatility and Vega effect will take care of it, and then it might even reach 200. Okay, that is the kind of potential. Something like a black swan event that we saw on that event day, June 4th. If something like that happens, the value of this will be far higher than the put that I have sold. So that is the logic with which I am taking it, because this is a little closer OTM than the OTM that we have sold. So that's the logic. Now let's see how what is the adjustment we have done. 83 rupees we have sold one lot of July month end contract, and 27th of June we are going to add 8 rupees. Now some of you may be saying, how can you be very sure that this will go reach only 200 or 250 and this will be at 120 or maybe 200, and all you are saying, what if it doesn't reach? Fine. The thing is that that's the whole point of adjustment. The point of adjustment is that you got to take some risk for optimization. But will it really compromise my entire setup? No, because we got a lot of time, and I will continue to make further more adjustments as the market moves, right? And this position cannot go into loss for the simple reason that the call premiums are super high. So although the market is going down, this is appreciating, and then this is increasing from 83, it has become 250, let's say, and this has become only 100 rupees, 150 rupees I am losing. But what will happen is the call side is already super high, that will be eroding much faster. Probably this has become 83 to 250, and that the other side from 400 it will become say 200 or something like that. So at any point in time I'll be gaining more, there is no doubt about it. But having to see that physically is the real proof. Theoretically, I can go on to say, and then you can believe or you don't have to believe. But when let the market move, let the market fall, and let this position go into trouble. That's what the real challenge is, and I will show how to adjust it. So that's the update for now. Thanks a lot for watching. Hoping to see you all with the next update tomorrow. Thanks.